Attention loco pilot. This is the Bangalore station master speaking.
Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar here. How can I help?
As you know, the forest between Baniambadi and Bangalore is an elephant crossing zone. Approaching that zone soon.
Yes, we are aware and have come prepared.
We just got reports from Bangalore Shatabdi loco pilot. Multiple angry elephants are blocking the track as this is their natural habitat. We request you to please be alert and follow protocol. You further in case you do spot them. Have you encountered elephants yet?
Yes, what do I do?
Blow horn and see if they budge. Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Loco pilot has to get down and follow the SOP.
Karthik, do what this.
But you are the loco.
I am not going to go down. Either you do it or tell.
Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Then we have one final option. Find firecrackers from the kit. Light and throw them.